my food.
So eat it.
Oh. I want pink this food.
You want what?
Pink like, I want pink like orange.
What's that?
Bad.
Aiden, eat your food and
It's
quit playing.
really bad.
Did she say it's really bad?
No, it's not. It's not, man.
How do you feel about the food?
But it's like when it's so cute, like so spicy, so spicy.
What's spicy?
Like this one part spicy.
Is it?
That it's spicy.
I don't think it's not spicy.
I think
No, it's probably the garlic.
I think it's like a garlic, like chicken.
Like chicken.
Yeah.
That's not chicken, it's shrimp, baby.
It's like shrimp.
But you were close. It was a meat.
No, it's not meat. It's
It is.
not. It's
Oh.
not. It's not.
Then what is it?
Okay, quit talking to her.
It's like-
Aiden, eat your food.
It's
And
not.
quit playing with it.
It's like ice cream.
Okay, it looks like ice cream. So eat it all up. It's mashed potatoes.
Yes, it is.
Why are you touching it?
Because it's so good.
Okay, so good. If it's so good, you need to eat it all up. Come on.
Uh-oh. It's good. Look at hot. Look at what time I look at.
So eat it. Eat the shrimp.
Huh? Who's going in Annie's bedroom?
Not me.
Oh,
Eat it. Chew it up.
I thought the. Oh, why were you in her bedroom? What the mouse? I didn't touch anything. Oh.
Achoo.
You what? Oh, you sneeze?
Yeah.
Oh, bless you. Good job. Come on, Aiden, finish eating, please. I don't want to be down here all night.
I think it's 8.
If you want some cookies, we got some.
He thinks it's 8.
You think it's 8? If you eat all that, you get some delicious cookies.
What?
Don't say what to me.
It's not. It's burnt lemon.
It's burnt lemon?
No, it's not.
What is it? What you say about
It's
lemon?
not. It's
What's
not. It's not good. It's not good. It's not good.
What's not good?
It's like watermelon is like sour watermelon.
It's like sour watermelon?
No, it's not. It's not. It's not one. It's not one. It's like a it's like a popsicle.
What's like a popsicle? Yeah, it's like a popsicle, so eat it up.
No, it's not popsicle. It's
Okay.
not.
So eat it, please.
It's not it.
Okay, come on, eat your shrimp.
It's
eat
not it.
your... Okay. And then try your green beans too, please.
It's not it. It's not.
Okay, I'm not playing.
It's not beans. It's not the beans. What? It's strawberry. Okay. Don't get me.
Why do you have to make a face each time you eat it?
I